100 frequently asked questions in English. Is it close? Is it close? Can you drive? Can you drive? What are you looking for? What are you looking for? Do you need anything? Do you need anything? Are you coming with us? Are you coming with us? How tall are you? How tall are you? How much does it weigh? How much does it weigh? What's the matter? What's the matter? Do you believe in? Do you believe in? Have you seen this movie? Have you seen this movie? How do you spell that? How do you spell that? When is it due? When is it due? What do you recommend? What do you recommend? Where can I find? Where can I find? Who did you come with? Who did you come with? Are you allergic to? Are you allergic to? How do you pronounce this? How do you pronounce this? Is it difficult? Is it difficult? Do you have the time? Do you have the time? What would you like to eat? What would you like to eat? Why did you do that? Why did you do that? Did you like the movie? Did you like the movie? What did he say? What did he say? When will it be ready? When will it be ready? Is it expensive? Is it expensive? Who's calling? Who's calling? Where should I put this? Where should I put this? What's your address? What's your address? How's your family? How's your family? Do you work here? Do you work here? Who's your favorite? Who's your favorite? Why are you crying? Why are you crying? What's for dinner? What's for dinner? Do you want to play? Do you want to play? Have you met? Have you met? Why not? Why not? Can I see your ID? Can I see your ID? What are you reading? What are you reading? Are we there yet? Are we there yet? Do you agree? Do you agree? Examples of imperative sentence. Don't brush my shirt. Don't brush my shirt. Please show me your notebook. Please show me your notebook. Put the clothes in the sun. Put on your shoes first. Put on your shoes first. Do not behave like a child. Do not behave like a child. Apply oil on your hair. Apply oil on your hair. Spread the sheet on the bed. Spread the sheet on the bed. Don't lean against the wall. Don't lean against the wall. Keep the door partly open. Keep the door partly open. Do not park your vehicle here. Do not park your vehicle here. Don't forget what I said. Don't forget what I said. Take rest here tonight. Take rest here tonight. Move the plates off the table. Move the plates off the table. Please submit the document to me. Please submit the document to me. Pour the tea into the cup. Pour the tea into the cup. Call me when you get home. Call me when you get home. Please speak a little more slowly. Please speak a little more slowly. Could you spell your name, please? Could you spell your name, please? Please maintain silence in the classroom. Please maintain silence in the classroom. Please contact our agent in Italy for further information. Please contact our agent in Italy for further information. 48 imperative sentences. Stop talking and open your book. Stop talking and open your book. Take the dog for a walk, please. Take the dog for a walk, please. Stop biting your fingernails. Stop biting your fingernails. Nobody move. Nobody move. Do not walk fastly. Do not walk fastly. Please be quiet in the library. Please be quiet in the library. Share wishes for someone. Share wishes for someone. Do your chores. Do your chores. Enjoy some fresh strawberries. Enjoy some fresh strawberries. Stop talking. Stop talking. Have courage. Have courage. Let no one of you speak. Let no one of you speak. Switch off your mobiles. Switch off your mobiles. Do not talk to me like that. Do not talk to me like that. Do not make that sound. Do not make that sound. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. You there, pay attention. You there, pay attention. Oh, do shut up. Oh, do shut up. Please join me for dinner. Please join me for dinner. Hand me that bowl. Hand me that bowl. Consider the red dress. Consider the red dress. Pass the salt. Pass the salt. Wait for me. Wait for me. Stop feeding the dog. Stop feeding the dog. Daily use sentences. I have been out since morning. I have been out since morning. I have had lunch. I have had lunch. I have had breakfast. I have had breakfast. I have no money. I have no money. I have to go. I have to go. I have 2 rupees less. I have 2 rupees less. I know everything. I know everything. I know nothing. I know nothing. I must go. I must go. I want its fancy price. I want its fancy price. I want that one. I want that one. I will give you a fancy price for it. I will give you a fancy price for it. In course of time. In course of time. It does not mean. It does not mean. It sounds great. It sounds great. It's all because of you. It's all because of you. It's all you do. It's all you do. Just taste it. Just taste it. He feels like eating funnel cake. He feels like eating funnel cake. Look ahead. Look ahead. Make the bed. Make the bed. Many a man was killed. Many a man was killed. My study is going on well. My study is going on well. Nothing special. Nothing special. Rest assured. Rest assured. She has no money. She has no money. Shut up when you are unwise to talk. Shut up when you are unwise to talk. Tea will do. Tea will do. That boy David reads in your class. That boy David reads in your class. That's enough. That's enough. That's a good idea. That's a good idea. The examination is about to start. The examination is about to start. Good mind, good find. Good mind, good find. Diamonds cut diamonds. Diamonds cut diamonds. Crying the wilderness. Crying the wilderness. Cast one's bread upon the waters. Cast one's bread upon the waters. Fool the others to himself a sage. Fool the others to himself a sage. Getting involved without having. Getting involved without having. Positive sentences. She cook for you. She cook for you. I lost my wallet last week. I lost my wallet last week. The dogs belong to them. The dogs belong to them. Everyone loves her. Everyone loves her. You need to go take yours. You need to go take yours. He will take it himself. He will take it himself. You are an engineer. You are an engineer. She will take what is hers. She will take what is hers. My father fixed the car himself. My father fixed the car himself. I can run faster than him. I can run faster than him. The man was being a positive embarrassment. The man was being a positive embarrassment. You should go take it from him. You should go take it from him. He is my best friend. He is my best friend. Someone knows where she is. Someone knows where she is. He was in a positive fury. He was in a positive fury. I love dogs. I love dogs. They live near here. They live near here. Something positive has come out of it at last. Something positive has come out of it at last. We can go on vacation with you. We can go on vacation with you. I'm as positive as I can be about it. I'm as positive as I can be about it. You were the boss. You were the boss. The dog can walk itself. The dog can walk itself. His whole family knows he loves you. His whole family knows he loves you. She knows she has to study for exams. She knows she has to study for exams. He learned to read by himself. He learned to read by himself. The soldiers killed him. The soldiers killed him. She is a mechanical engineer. She is a mechanical engineer. I will get myself a coffee. I will get myself a coffee. Today we will come. Today we will come. He loves to play basketball. He loves to play basketball. You know I love you so much. You know I love you so much. You should take care of yourself. You should take care of yourself. I learned English by myself. I learned English by myself.